Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We are the professional manufacturer and supplier of lubricant additive in China. We are committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Today we will show you a video about TBN value test. Here's my partner Winnie.
Hello everyone, my name is Winnie. This video you use the indicator method to test the base number. Hannah, do you know what does base number mean?
Yes, base number means the amount of perchloric acid required to titrate 1 gram sample with standard titration solution. So what's the significance of TBN test?
When petroleum products are added with additive, they may contain alkaline components, and the relative content of alkaline components can be determined by acid titration.
Yes, it's used to measure the degradation of additives during the use of lubricating oil in order to determine the necessary actual waste limit.
Next, now let's see the video. Hannah, what's the first part?
Okay, let me show you.
According to table.
First, according to table A1, take appropriate amount of samples respectively and drop them into initial bottle. Do you know what additive samples are used for the test, Winnie?
We use T207 mu, T21001 mu, T21002 mu, T20118, 8556. We need to record the weight of each sample. How many drops of sodium hydrogen silate should be added?
We should weigh 0.1 to 0.2 gram potassium hydrogen tilate, accurate to 0.0002 gram. And in the video, we weigh 0.1406 gram. What's the next step, Winnie?
1. Take appropriate amount of samples respectively and drop them into the control bottle. Clean the instrument.
Next, clean the instrument before the experiment.
Okay, how to clean the experiment?
Rinse with titration solution and then rinse with distilled water.
Okay, let's see the next step.
Before the experiment. Take 50 milliliters.
Next step, we should take 50 ml glacial acetic acid and add it to the calibration bottle that containing potassium hydrogen tilate to dissolve.
Glacial acetic acid and add it to the calibration bottle that containing potassium hydrogen silate to dissolve. Take 50 ml.
And then take 50 milliliters of glacial acetic acid and add it to the blank sample calibration bottle. Hannah, do you know what's the function of the blank bottle?
Yes, we need to record the volume of perchloric acid and glacial acetic acid that dropped into the blank bottle. If it's used to calculate the concentration of perchloric acid and the base number of other samples, what solvent do we add next?
Liters of glacial acetic acid and add it to the blank sample calibration bottle at 40 milliliters.
Add 40 milliliters petroleum ether to each conical bottom that containing the sample to dissolve.
Okay.
我往前带。
Fill out petroleum ether to each container bottle that containing the sample to dissolve.
should add 20 ml glycolacetic acid to the blank sample and each conditional bottle respectively.
Glacial acetic acid to blank sample and each chemical bottle respectively. Add 4 to 5 drops.
After that, add 4 to 5 drops of crystal violet indicator to the dissolved potassium hydrogen acid. Titrate with perchlorate glacial acetic acid standard titration solution under continuous shaking.
Of crystal violet indicator to dissolve potassium hydrogen violet. Titrate with chlorate glacial acetic acid standard titration solution under continuous shaking. Add 4 to 5
Next, we should add 4 to 5 drops of p-phenylbenzyl alcohol glycolacetic acid indicator solution into the conditional bottle and titrate with perchlorate glycolacetic acid standard titration solution.
drops of p-methylbenzyl alcohol glacial acetic acid indicator solution into the chemical bottle and titrate with chlorate glacial acetic acid standard titration solution.
Winnie, do you know how to prepare the perchloric acid glycolacetic acid solvent mentioned in this experiment?
The titration solvent should be prepared in advance. Mix 500 milliliters glacial acetic acid and 30 milliliters acetic anhydride together and add 8.5 milliliters of perchloric acid. After mixing evenly, continue to add glacial acetic acid to dilute to 1 liter. Let it stand for 24 hours. Also, Hannah, what should be noted when make perchloric acid glacial acetic acid titration solvent?
Okay. Perchlorate acid is toxic, irritating, and is a strong oxidant, so it should be used with caution. If it splashes on the skin, immediately rinse thoroughly with water. That's why we should pay attention to. And Vinny, can you tell us about the final result after adding the titration solvent?
Under constant shaking, titrate with perchloric acid glacial acetic acid standard titration solution. The end point is when the yellow color of the solution disappears and the green color just appears.
Titrate with perchloric acid glacial acetic acid standard titration solution. The end point is when the yellow color of the solution disappears and the green color just appears.
And then we can calculate the base value of the sample BN6.
What data is needed to calculate the base number?
We need base data of each sample, volume data of perchloric acid isostatic that dropped into each sample and the black bottle. And we also need the concentration data of perchloric acid as acetic acid solution.
Yes, then we can calculate the TBN date. The final result is on the screen.
That's all for our experiment. If you are interested in our test or our products, you can feel free to contact us anytime.
Thank you for watching the test. Have a good day.
Thank you so much。
真是太
不是
长了。，
这是啥呀？做啥实验呢？
简直，这是我
简直是不讲的，简直是，就是它里边有碱，对不？
直播没结束姐，他还再来2遍，要30分钟。
对。
嗨，
那能这个过程可以跟我讲，对不？
可以可以，
那你给我讲讲
但是他，
用 Chinese 吧，不然我听不懂。先给我 Chinese 的那啥。
那你后边先放，这有人看。
行。
Hi, welcome to our live stream. This is Hannah from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We are the professional manufacturer and the supplier of lubricant additive in China. We have committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Our additive package meets the specification requirement of bench test. Today, we will show you a video about TBN value test. Here's my partner Winnie.
Hello everyone, my name is Winnie. This video uses indicator method to test the base number. Hannah, do you know what does base number mean?
Yes, base number means the amount of perchloric acid required to titrate 1 gram sample with standard titration solution. Winnie, do you know what's the significance of TBN test?
When
弹幕有人问 What is about？
This is about our experiment, TBN value test.
When petroleum products are added with additives, they may contain alkaline components, and the relative content of alkaline components can be determined by acid titration.
Yes, it's used to measure the degradation of additives during the use of lubricating oil in order to determine the necessary actual waste limit.
Nice. Now let's see the video. Hannah, what's the first part?
Okay, let's see the video.
According to Table 1, take appropriate amount of samples respectively and drop them into the control bottle.
First step, according to Table A1, take appropriate amount of samples respectively and drop them into the control bottle. Winnie, do you know what additive samples are used for the test?
We use T217 mu 2, T21001 mu, T21002 mu, T20118, and 8556. We need to record the weight of each sample. How many grams of sodium hydrogen silicate should be added?
We should weigh 0.1 to 0.2 g. What is a hydrogen silate equal to 0.0002 gram? And in the video, we weigh 0.1404 gram. So what's the next step, Winnie?
Clean the instrument.
Next, clean the instrument before the experiment.
Okay, how do we clean the instrument?
Rinse with the titration solution and then rinse with distilled water.
Okay, let's see the next step.
reagent for the experiment. Take 50 milliliters glacial acetic acid and add it.
Next step, we should take 50 ml glacial acetic acid and add the
A calibration bottle that containing potassium hydrogen gallate dissolved. Take 50 ml.
And then take 50 millimeters of glacial acetic acid and add it to the blank sample calibration bottle. Hannah, do you know what's the function of the blank conical bottle?
Yes, we need to record the volume of perchloric acid and glacial acetic acid that dropped into the blank bottle. It's used to calculate the concentration of perchloric acid and the base number of the other samples. Minnie, what solvents do you add next?
Liters of glacial acetic acid and add it to the blank sample calibration bottle at 40 milliliters.
After that, add 40 millimeters petroleum each to either to each conical bottle that containing the sample to dissolve.
Yes. Let's see next
Add
step.
petroleum ether to each conical bottle that containing the sample to dissolve. Add 20 milliliters glacial acetic acid to the blank sample and each conical.
Then we should add 20 ml glacial acetic acid to the blank sample and each conical bottle respectively.
Bottle respectively. Add 4 to 5 drops of
Next, add 4 to 5 drops of crystal violet indicator to the dissolved potassium hydrogen salate. Titrate with perchlorate glacial acetic acid standard titration solution under continuous shaking.
crystal violet indicator to the dissolved potassium hydrogen salate. Titrate with chlorate glacial acetic acid standard titration solution under continuous shaking. Add 4 to 5 drops of penethyl.
Next step, we should add 4 to 5 drops of p-nethylbenzyl alcohol glacial acetic acid indicator solution into the conical bottle and titrate with perchlorate glacial acetic acid standard titration solution. Minnie, do you know how to prepare the perchloric acid glacial acetic acid solvent mentioned in this experiment?
The titration solvent should be prepared in advance. Mix 500 millimeters glacial acetic acid and 30 millimeters acetic anhydride together and add 8.5 millimeters of perchloric acid. After mixing evenly, continue to add glacial acetic acid to dilute to 1 liter. Let it stand for 24 hours. Also, HANA water should be noted when make perchlorate acid glycolic acid titration solvent.
Perchlorate acid is toxic, irritating, and is a strong oxidant, so it should be used with caution. If it splashes on the skin, immediately rinse thoroughly with water. That we should pay attention to. And Winnie, can you tell us about the final result after adding the titration solvent?
Okay.
Bacteria alcohol glacial acetic acid in the paper solution into the contact bottle and titrate with chlorate glacial acetic acid standard titration solution. And a constant shaking.
Under constant shaking, titrate with the perchloric acid glacial acetic acid standard titration solution. The end point is when the yellow color of the solution disappears and the green color just appears.
Titrate with chloric acid glacial acetic acid standard titration solution. The end point is when the yellow color of the solution disappears and the green color just appears.
Yes, and then we can calculate the base number of BN sample 6.
What date is needed to calculate the base number?
We need weight data of each sample, volume data of perchloric acid as acetic acid that drop to each sample and the blank sample, and concentration data of perchloric acid as acetic acid solution.
Yes, then we can calculate the TBN date. The result is on the screen.
Yes.
还有6分钟。
That's all for the video. If you are interested in our products, lubricant additive, or interested in our test or experiment, you can contact us anytime.
Thank you for watching our test. Have a good day.
Hello. Welcome to our live stream. Hi.
要不再来点公司介绍，放个视频什么的。
先说完后面视频。
Hello, welcome to our live stream. This is Hannah from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We are the professional manufacturer and supplier of lubricant additive in China. We are committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Our additive packages meet the specification requirement of bench test. If you need TDDP, TBN, BNI, you can contact us. Today, we will show you a video about TBN value test. Here's my partner, Winnie.
Hello everyone, my name is Winnie from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. This video uses the indicator method to test the base number. Let's watch the experiment.
Okay, let's see the screen.
According to Table 1, take appropriate amount of samples respectively and drop them into the control bottle.
Fresh polymer.
This is our sample, 5 kinds of additive. Yes.
Clean the instrument before the experiment.
Here we use the petroleum ether to clean instrument.
Take 50 milliliters glacial acetic acid and add it to the calibration bottle that containing potassium hydrogen
Here's a
balance.
standard solvent.
Take 50 milliliters of glacial acetic acid and add it to the blank sample calibration bottle. Add 40 milliliters of petroleum ether to each conical bottle that containing the sample to dissolve. Add 20 milliliters glacial acetic acid to the blank sample and each conical bottle respectively. Add 4 to 5 drops of crystal violet indicator to the dissolved potassium hydrogen phthalate. Titrate with chlorate glacial acetic acid standard titration solution under continuous shaking. Add 4 to 5 drops of methyl alcohol glacial acetic acid indicator solution into the conical bottle and titrate with chlorate glacial acetic acid standard titration solution. Under constant shaking, titrate with chloric acid glacial acetic acid standard titration solution. The end point is when the yellow color of the solution disappears and the green color just appears.
说再见就行。
That's all for our video. The sample we used in the video is our additives. If you need detergent, dispersion, anti-wear agent, extreme pressure anti-wear agent, gear oil additive, hydraulic oil additive, you can contact us anytime.
Thank you for watching our test. Hope you have better understanding of product. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you next time.
简直是越高越好，对不对？
有客户